use live stream shopping to improve purchase intentions of buyers. Live shopping enables brands to boost sales and enhance their brand perception by connecting better with their buyers and showcasing their products in ways that lead to informed, trusted, and accelerated purchases by buyers. This way, live stream shopping improves customer purchase intentions. While this showcases the power of live shopping, it does not explain how you can leverage it to improve customer purchase intentions. So, here are some tips that can help you improve customer purchase intentions by using live stream shopping. You can keep your show relevant to the topic. You can showcase product usability and use cases. You can assign a host familiar with your brand, offer limited time promotions and incentives, and you need to practice consistency for your live shopping shows. Using live shopping as a growth strategy has become a market norm for brands across industries due to its immense potential. However, brands can only unlock the full potential of live shopping by choosing a reliable streaming platform. This is where Channelize.io live stream shopping platforms comes in and can help you implement all the mentioned strategies to make optimal use of live shopping. You can book a free demo with us or follow us on various social media channels to get started with us. Thank you.